Hello and welcome to the smallest country in all of America. The country of surfing, pupusas, delicious coffee, volcanoes and Bitcoin. Today, join us to visit one of the most popular national parks, a place that should be on your list of places to visit. Welcome to the Cerro Verde National Park, also known as the Volcano Park. An impressive ecological reserve between mountains, volcanoes and Lake Coatepeque, and on the other side the valley that takes you to the Pacific Ocean. The park is located on the top of an old volcano, now inactive, where you will find many curiosities to discover. Trails with viewpoints with incredible views, picnic areas, restaurants, small shops. The park is located in the department of Santa Ana. Getting there from San Salvador or from the coast in La Libertad will take around 2 hours, and along the way you will be able to see different angles of the park from the road. At the entrance of the park you find a large parking lot, and you immediately see the views of the Izalco volcano, which looks impressive. Around the parking lot you can see different areas and paths that spread through the forest, between areas with chairs and tables located in different areas of the large gardens. One of the main activities to do when you arrive at the park is the tour along the trails, especially the tour known as a window to the sky, a guided tour of around 40 minutes, in what was formerly the crater of the inactive volcano, where the park is located. The tour is guided and has several impressive viewpoints. In addition, the guide explains a little about the history, description and data of the place, its fauna and vegetation, its geology and its surroundings. The viewpoints leave you impressed. The best views of the Santa Ana volcano, Lake Coatepeque, and the Izalco volcano. A walk that will not require much physical effort, in a cool climate. Without a doubt, an activity to do with the family, and the children enjoy it very much. And at the same time learn something new. In the end, the tour leaves us at the doors of a place that is also a must-see. This is the restaurant Casa 1883 and the Cerro Verde Mountain Hotel. A place with great elegance. You can visit its restaurant that offers you a very pleasant experience, with one of the best views of the Izalco volcano in the entire park. On the other hand, also a very pleasant view of Lake Coatepeque. You can enjoy delicious specialties. A fusion cuisine between the most traditional food with more than some international influence, and above all enjoy one of the best coffees in the world. The main living room is quite spacious, adorned by enormous bonfires. And its glass wall allows you to see the peak of the Izalco volcano in the background. A better background is impossible. The park is immense, and is a starting point for other activities around the park, especially excursions to climb the Santa Ana volcano, and also the Izalco volcano. Around the park there are several mountain hotels, some very good, and also as part of the entire region. Lake Coatepeque is another part of this destination that you can visit or stay. In fact, sleeping a night at Lake Coatepeque to prepare to climb the Santa Ana volcano during the day is part of the itinerary of many of our visitors. If you are interested in this destination, or are planning to visit the country and still need help organizing, we leave you a link to our blog where you will find a wide variety of information and links to hotels, tour guides, surf schools, car rentals, news and much more. I am sure it will be very helpful to you. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel. We will keep you informed with new destinations and curiosities to discover. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we will see you very soon with a new destination. Until next time.